How to put pictures on Pinterest comments. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now, okay? First, I will pass the information on my Android Samsung, but it's the same process, the same information to computer, to iPhone, and any other Android. So if you log on Pinterest, okay, and your Pinterest account, click on any photo, click right here to see the comments and try to put an image, a picture on the comments. You will see there is no option, okay? That is because Pinterest removed officially the ability to comment with a photo in 2021, okay? So if you are seeing this video at the time that I'm recording this video, it is impossible to put a picture on Pinterest comments, okay? You can see right here, okay, that Pinterest officially removed comments with a photo in August 2021. I hope I helped you with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.